One of the tools for growth on YouTube is collaboration. Even big YouTubers that the small ones look up to are still collaborating. But some small YouTubers find it difficult to collaborate because they feel when they collaborate with you, you're going to take their subscribers and the view count will drop. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time, thanks for stopping by. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. I want to say something to our African YouTubers, especially the small content creators. A few number of them, when you reach out to them for a collaboration, it's either they ignore your message or they tend not to want to extend that hand of fellowship as well to you so that both of you will come together and do something for the growth of your various channels. The big YouTubers which we look up to, both in America, in Europe, and other parts of the world, you see them collaborate even with the starting YouTubers, the pre-nursery YouTubers per se. They still collaborate with them for growth. But African YouTubers, they find it difficult to help each other. The big YouTubers we look up to today, they didn't grow in a day. They started from small. They started as what we refer to as small content creator or small YouTubers. They started like that at their own time. They didn't start and grow in one day. Even with the growth that they have achieved today, majority of them still find time to collaborate with other YouTubers, even the small content creators. Some are their friends, some are people they don't know, people they met online as me and you. They still find time to collaborate with them because everyone wants to grow. If you have 10 million subscribers today, that doesn't mean that you don't want to have 15 million subscribers. Someone with 50,000 subscribers wants to have 100,000 subscribers. That's how it is. That's how the game is. So the American YouTubers, the European YouTubers, you see them in a short period of time, they have grown. Some of them have passed 100,000 subscribers. Our African YouTubers, especially those that reside in Africa, I'm not referring to those that are Africans, they live in America or they reside in Europe. Those that reside in Africa, they're supposed to help each other. They're supposed to come together under one umbrella, do things together, collaborate, because collaboration is key, is a key factor for growth here on this platform. For them to come together and do something, they find it difficult. Maybe they don't understand the usefulness, the power of collaboration. One tree cannot make a forest. YouTube is a global platform. YouTube is open to the whole world. You don't know the number of videos, the amount of videos, millions of content that is being uploaded on this platform on a daily basis. YouTube is as big as the sky. The sky is big enough for all kinds of birds to fly. So collaboration is an important tool for growth here on YouTube. If you don't collaborate, there's no way viewers, subscribers will be able to discover you. It will be difficult. It's not as if maybe without collaboration you cannot grow. There will still be growth. The time it will take you to grow to the level you want or to the level you have imagined your channel to be, it will take longer time if you don't collaborate with people. I've heard some YouTubers say even to give a shout out to a fellow YouTuber on their channel, they say it's a no-no. Not talk of collaboration. There's this video I watched the other day. The YouTuber was saying no shout out, no collaboration. If you call her or ask her for collaboration, that she's not going to talk to you. But the only thing she can do is to give you tips on how to grow on YouTube. The tips: make good content, good thumbnail, expensive equipment. With all that, who's going to watch your content if you don't collaborate with people? If you collaborate with someone with 60, 70,000 subscribers and you have 10,000 subscribers, what do you think will happen? So that's the thing, the mentality we small creators have that is holding our channels down. We need to drop this mentality so that our channels, our businesses, our online videos will explode like that of our American and European counterparts. When you send a message to a fellow content creator, maybe normal message, I like what you're doing, this, that, good job, keep it up, the person will respond to you. The moment you mention, can we do something together? The response will stop coming. There won't be any reply again. Collaboration is like sharing ideas, exchanging ideas. I'll bring the ones I know and you bring the ones you know. And there will be mutual growth. It's not that maybe the growth will be on one side. No matter the amount of subscribers you have, no matter the amount of followers you have, there must be growth on both sides. That's one thing people refuse to understand. If you're with 60,000 subscribers and you're just doing your own thing, you don't want to merge with any other person, another content creator to access the tools of growth. The one with 10,000 subscribers may overtake you. With 1,000 subscribers, you are hungry for growth. He with 60,000 feels that 60,000 it's enough. I don't need to do any other work. Why people with 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 10 million, they are still hungry. People close to 100 million subscribers are still working day and night to get to maybe 150 million subscribers. You with 60,000 subscribers, if someone with 10,000 subscribers reaches out to you for a collaboration, you will say no because you don't want some of your subscribers to subscribe to this person's channel and this one will come up. So if you refuse to collaborate with people, how do you think that your channel will grow and your subscriber count will come up? How? So it's only through collaboration that we can help ourselves. It's only through collaboration that our channels, our individual channels will grow. So we need to ask ourselves, what is it that American YouTubers do? What is it that European YouTubers do that their channels grow as fast as they do? It is because they don't feel that doing something with another creator is stealing their subscribers. They don't hold back. They go all out to achieve what they want to achieve. They don't have that mentality that if I collaborate with you, I'm going to steal your subscribers and your views will drop. They don't think like that. Instead, they know that by collaboration, subscriber count will go high and the views also will increase. Thereby, income will also increase. It's like creating a two-way traffic, double flow. It will flow from here to this side. It will flow from here to the other side. That's what collaboration is all about. If creators like MKBHD, Casey Neistat, Nick and D, the Illuminati brothers, Roberto Blake, Sean of Think Media, if these people are still collaborating with other content creators for their YouTube channel growth, so it shows that if you want to grow on YouTube and you want to grow with online video creation in general, collaboration is the key. You must be open to collaboration. So I'm advising our African brothers and sisters, wherever you are, if you're in Africa, if you are in Europe, if you are in other parts of the world, let's come together as one. Let's forget this, I want to be Mr. YouTube, I want to be Miss YouTube alone. YouTube is for everybody. It's a big platform. Be free, be open to others, be free to your brothers and sisters. Let's come together and make this journey a worthwhile journey. Let's make this journey a sweet one. Let's grow together. Let's grow together as one. Stay together as one. Stay together as a family. If you like this video, give it a thumb up, share it with your friends and family. Tag other YouTubers that you know that refuse to collaborate with others. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace and love.